മലയാളം തമ്പുരാക്കന്മാരുടെയും തമ്പുരാട്ടിമാരുടെയും ഹൃദയഭാഷ. മലയാളം പഠിക്കാൻ വളരെ വിഷമമാണ്. എന്നാൽ ഹൃദയമുള്ളവർക്ക് ഏതു ഭാഷയും കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യാൻ വളരെ എളുപ്പം. My organizing language is English. Royal, reasonable, luxurious to feel the beautiful life in this planet. I say to my would-be souls around the globe that I am not a superimposter. Whatever I feel through my heart, I express it in such a manner to make feel that someone is there in this planet to take care of human species through M is spirituality. There is godliness in it, neither superiority complex or inferiority complex in me space, M-E wireless space. What is the outcome of that? Feeling the heart of cosmic realities to uplift human species through M is spirituality and Nij Raj Yogic life under Nij Raj Yogic Tree, Cosmic Tree, Global Tree. I am the first Global Manon. It became necessary for me to think about Global Manons Association because all my relatives and friends of Manons are also scattered around the globe. It became blessing in disguise to talk about one's own divine nature, spiritual culture with highest 3 syllabus that will create conducive atmosphere for evolution, highest education, and growth stories for every soul in me space.